Hello and welcome to Educate Yourself. In this video, we'll be talking about effective presentations. How to make your presentation more effective. First of all, you need to show your passion and connect with your audience. You should be interested in the topic you're talking about. You should avoid stress and anxiety, and you should also act yourself. This way, you can make your audience feel relaxed and entertained. Remember to be honest. Step 2. Focus on your audience's needs. Bear in mind what the audience needs and wants to know, not what you can tell them. So remember, you don't have to say everything you know. You should focus on the important details and information. And you should focus on the response of your audience so you know what details are important and needed. Step 3. Keep your presentation simple. So you should keep it simple and clear. The goal or the objective of your presentation should be clear and simple. Avoid putting too much details so you avoid distracting your audience. Just focus on the core message of your presentation. Step 4. Smile and make eye contact with your audience. Keep some lights on. You need to see your audience as they need to see you. This gives a positive impression. It reduces anxiety and stress, as well as it increases interaction between you and your audience. In step 5, you need to think about the introduction or the beginning of your presentation. Why is it so crucial? It's the most important part of your presentation. You can gain your audience's attention or lose it only by your introduction or beginning. So it needs to grasp attention. You can use stories, pictures, videos. You can employ whatever method you find to be attractive and enjoyable. So make sure to attract your audience's attention with your beginning. Finally, remember to tell stories. Use body language and voice tones, and relax and enjoy as you present. Don't stand up without moving at all. Give some stories, some vivid stories and examples, and be relaxed. Avoid stress and anxiety. Now this is the end of my video. Please like and subscribe if you've benefited from the information. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.